Hello, good morning, friends. Today I am going to explain the topic about the fuses. First of all, fuse is a safety device used in electrical applications, electrical devices. Wherever, for example, there are the different types of fuses we are using to control the over voltage in electrical systems. First of all, the fuse is an electrical device which we can use in normally while you are going on the roads. You can see the fuses whenever it is installing in the transformers. It is like a small wire used for the transformer to protection of from the very high voltages. Fuse is a metal piece of connected in series with a circuit for its protection. There are the different types of fuses we are using in a electrical systems. The different types of fuses are the atomic protection, high speed operation, no maintenance, cheap in cost. And there are the different advantages and disadvantages are in the fuses. The purpose of fuse is a device used to protection from the over voltages in the electrical system. Characteristics of fuses: low melting point, high conductivity, free from oxidation. Disadvantage of the fuses are main disadvantage of fuse are low breaking capacity. It is having a low breaking capacity. This is the one of the disadvantage in the fuses. What are the materials you are going to use in a fuse? There are the different types of materials we are using in the fuses. There are tin lead fuse, tin copper fuse, silver fuse. Tin lead fuse is used for low current up to 5 amps. Up to 5 amps we are using the tin lead fuse we are using. This is called from low medium, means from 0 to 5 amps we are using the tin lead fuse. And next one, second one, for medium currents 0 to 5 amps we are using the for low current, that the material is called tin lead fuse. And the second one is we are using the tin copper fuse. Tin copper fuse is used for the protection from the 0 to 20 amps, means 5 to 0 to 5 amps we are using the tin lead fuse. And second one, medium current, for protection of medium currents up to 5 to 20 amps we are using the tin copper fuse. And above 20 amps we are using the high currents, we are using the material called silver fuse. Silver is the best fuse wire we are using for the electrical system protection. Friends, we are having the different types of fuses. There are the tips for low currents from 0 to 5 amps we are using the material tin lead fuse. And the second one, for medium currents for protection from 5 amps to 20 amps we are using the tin copper fuse we are using. And from above 20 amps 5 to 20 amps we are using the 5 to 20 amps we are using the tin copper fuse we are using. And finally, for high currents we are using the silver fuse we are using. Silver is the best fuse wire in the electrical systems, which we can protect from a very huge damage or very huge loss. We can, by using this fuse, it is a safety device and it is a high current protection device we are using in a electrical systems. The fuse will operate on overloads, short circuits. There are two types of fuses are there, which are low voltage fuse, high voltage fuse. There are the types of fuses are low voltage fuse and high voltage fuse. The difference between the low voltage fuse and high voltage fuse: low voltage fuse is a rewirable fuse, where high voltage fuse is a metal clad fuse used for HV motors. In a low voltage fuse we are using HRC fuse, high rupture capacity fuse we are using. whenever we are compared to high voltage fuse, cartridge fuse we are using, or liquid fuse, or carbon tetrahydro is used as a liquid. In there are the two types of fuses. There are the low voltage fuse and high voltage fuse. In the low voltage fuse we are using the rewirable fuse. When comparing to the high voltage fuse we are using the metal clad fuse used for HV motors, and HRC fuse is used in the low voltage fuse, and high voltage fuse, cartridge fuse, liquid fuse, carbon tetrahydrochloride is used. These are the topic I have discussed for the fuses. Mainly the purpose of fuse is the safety device for the whenever we are going for power systems, there we are using relays, and different types of relays are there. In that one, fuse is one of the device used for the protection of electrical devices. Thank you for watching this video.